Good morning, children. Ready with your science book, all of you? Page 17. We are starting a new lesson today. So get ready fast. Tasmia,
Yes, ma'am.
how are you, beta? दो दिन क्लास नहीं करा? You're okay?
जी
तबीयत ठीक है? You're a regular student, that is why I asked. Okay, chalo. Switch off your mic, beta. Okay, children. Let's start with the lesson without wasting any time. Page 17. Just look at the pictures, children. There are 4 pictures given on this page. Now, one is where the children are crossing on the zebra line. There are buildings, and this seems to be a market. Then this seems to be a colony kind of a thing. Even the children are, you can see the children there also. Then this is a farmhouse kind of a thing, and these are the mountains, हिल एरिया. सो इसमें से जिस एरिया के पास तुम रहते हो, जो तुम्हारे घर के आसपास का एरिया है, इससे मिलता जुलता, उस पर टिक मार्क लगाओ बेटा. पुट अ टिक मार्क. Put a tick mark on the picture that is near your house. Okay? Okay, children. Now, तुमने टिक कर लिया है. हमारे घर के आसपास का जो एरिया होता है, द एरिया दैट वी लिव इन, एंड जो आसपास होता है, दैट इज़ नोन एज आर नेबरहुड. हमारे घर के आसपास के एरिया को हम लोग नेबरहुड बोलते हैं. इन आर नेबरहुड, अपने घर के आसपास, वेर एवर वी आर स्टेइंग. Someone's mic is open. Children, if your mic is switched on, please switch it off. No, all are switched off. Wait, children, something is wrong at my end. Okay, can you all hear me, children? Can you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Thumbs up will do. Thumbs up will do, children. Children, thumbs up will do. Okay, so our neighborhood. Let us read about our neighborhood today. We see people, cars, buses, animals, plants, and shops around our house. हमारे घर के आसपास जहाँ भी तुम रहते हो, wherever you might be living, सड़क है. There is a road near your house, in front of your house, near your house, wherever. Yes, go beta, go. On that road you can see buses, cars, scooters, autos, people on cycle, people walking, dogs, maybe cats at times, some birds. And if you are living in a colony or this thing, then there must be excuse me, there must be some small shops. Or if you're living near a big market, you're living somewhere near a big mall, then there might be big shops around your house also. So all these things are in your neighborhood. They are in your neighborhood. As I told you just now, we see many things in our neighborhood. Now, let us see what are the places you see in your. Good morning, Hussein. Wake up, beta. Okay. What are the things you see in your neighborhood? This is your homework. Okay? Put homework over here. Write homework. Write today's date. Now, when you when you will do this at home, Laiba, where are you, child? I can't see you. I can see someone else in front of the camera. Could I have Laiba in front of the camera, please? Yes. तो आप जब लिखेंगे, when you will write, when you will do this work, you what are the places you see in your neighborhood? You will write we see, and then whatever places you see, whatever things you see, shops, houses, park, road, buses. This is homework, Shayan. अभी नहीं करना है, okay? You just have to write homework and today's date. And today's date is 2/6/21.
Ma'am,
Yes.
copy in the book.
In the book. You have to write this in the book only. Okay? This you have to write in the book only. A clean neighborhood looks beautiful. अब अगर आपके घर के आसपास का एरिया साफ नहीं है, गंदा है, सब लोग कूड़ा बाहर फेंकते हैं, they don't get it clean, so then आपके घर के आसपास का एरिया साफ नहीं लगेगा. Your neighborhood will not be clean. It will not be clean. That is why we should take care of our neighborhood and उसको just a minute, children. Just give me a minute, please. उसको साफ सुथरा रखना चाहिए. Places around us. Now let us see हमारे घर के आसपास हमारे neighborhood में कौन कौन सी places हो सकती हैं. What are the places that can be around our house in our neighborhood? Okay, we find many useful places in our neighborhood. Now, the first thing that is given over here is school. Some of you might be living near the school where you study, or you might be living near a school, or there might be a school near your house where you don't study. Right? We go to a school to study. आजकल तो we don't go to a school to study. We are studying at home. Right? Then park. A lot of you might be living near a park. काफ़ी लोगों के घर के आसपास, घर से थोड़ी दूर, घर के सामने, there might be a park where you used to go to play. अब तो मम्मी भी नहीं निकलने देती होंगी घर से बाहर प्ले करने के लिए. But when things will change, you will all be playing in a park. आराम से खेल रहे होगे पार्क्स में, घूम रहे होगे. Alright? We go to a park to play. When you were in nursery, ma'am used to take you to the small school park that we have in our school. Right? घर के आसपास थोड़े बड़े पार्क्स होते हैं. Then हॉस्पिटल. हॉस्पिटल भी काफ़ी लोगों के घर के पास होगा, या काफ़ी लोग का घर हॉस्पिटल के पास होगा. Maybe a big hospital, those who are living in Chowk or Mahanagar, or they must be living near big hospitals, Gomti Nagar. And you might be having small nursing homes or small hospitals near your house. We go to a hospital when we are not well. We go to a hospital when we are not well. जब हमारी तबीयत ख़राब होती है, God forbid किसी की तबीयत ख़राब हो, सब लोग अच्छे रहो, but अगर किसी को कोई बीमार पड़ता है या आजकल वैक्सीनेशन है सब है तो हॉस्पिटल जाते हैं. देन एज आई वाज टेलिंग यू अबाउट द मार्केट, बड़ा मार्केट हो सकता है, छोटा मार्केट हो सकता है, there might be small shops around your house. So we go to a market to buy things. मार्केट में जो शॉप्स होती हैं अलग अलग चीज़ों की शॉप्स होती हैं, and we go to the market to buy things from the shops. Now children, pick up your pencil, turn the page. Children have to pick up the pencil, not the parents. Let the child know where her pencil is kept. Let her pick it up herself, please. When the school reopens, you people will not be with them in school. So they have to learn to function on their own. Ready, children? Now, check your progress. There's a box over there. We are going to do the work in this box. We go to a park bank to play. I just now told you we go to a park to play. Underline park and put a tick mark on it. Underline the word park and put a tick mark on it. Hussain, done it? Next page, you have to turn the page. I told you, come to page 20. This page. Underline and put a tick mark on the word park. Next one, we go to a pool, school to study. We go to a school to study. Underline school and put a tick mark on it. Underline school and put a tick mark on it. Hussain, have you done it? Abdullah, have you done it? Akshay is not there today. Viraj, have you underlined it and put a tick mark on it?
Ma'am, thanks.
Yes. Okay.
Ma'am, I have the.
Okay. But Vidushi, did I ask you? No, na? Then please don't.
Ma'am,
You don't know. You don't have to say anything, Vidushi. I was talking to Abdullah, Viraj, and Hussain. Right. Next one. We go to a market park to buy things. We go to a market to buy things. Underline market and put a tick mark on it. Children, when you are yawning, please put your hand on your mouth like this. आप लोग अभी काफ़ी लोग देर से सो के उठे हैं, so you are yawning. Okay? Don't yawn in class, बेटा. Underlined market and put a tick mark on it. Then we go to a hospital when we are well sick. Underline sick and put a tick mark on it. Nishkarth, done it? Underline कर दिया है Nishkarth?
Yes, ma'am.
And you've put a tick mark on it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, switch off your mics.
Ma'am, done.
No, don't. Switch off your mics. Okay, put your pencil down, children, now. Put your pencil down. We'll continue with the lesson. Let us continue with the lesson. Clean neighborhood. अभी हम बता रहे थे ना कि आपके घर के आसपास का एरिया क्लीन होना चाहिए, साफ होना चाहिए. We should keep our neighborhood clean. हमारा जो घर के आसपास का एरिया है, जो नेबरहुड है, जहाँ हम रहते हैं, सबको ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि वो साफ़ सुथरा है. It is clean. We should not throw waste around us. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि अपने घर से कूड़ा निकाला, गंदगी निकाली और you throw it outside your house. Now the government has put up dustbins. अलग अलग कलर्स के डस्टबिन हर थोड़ी थोड़ी दूरी पे रखे हैं, हर एरिया में, हर कॉलोनी में, हर सड़क पे रखे हैं। तो अगर मम्मी ने घर साफ़ किया या आपने मम्मी के हेल्प करके घर साफ़ कराया, तो जो कूड़ा निकलता है, अगर कूड़ा उठाने वाला नहीं आ रहा है, देन you can pack it in a bag and go and throw it in the dustbins kept near your house. Tasmia, you should have your breakfast before coming to class. Please put that glass away, because if you are drinking or eating, you will not be able to pay attention. Parents, please make sure that you wake your children a little bit earlier so that you can give them whatever they want to eat or drink. It does not look good that they are eating or drinking while in class. Throwing waste in the open makes our neighborhood dirty. It also makes us ill. Now, अगर हमारे घर के आसपास खुले में कूड़ा पड़ा होगा, तो there will be flies on it, there will be insects on it, the dogs will come and try to find something to eat from it. So वो कूड़ा फैलता जाएगा and it's going to make us ill also. जब घर के आसपास गंदगी होगी तो germs होंगे, बैक्टीरिया होंगे, so we might also fall sick. So we have to keep our neighborhood neat and clean. As I told you just now, we must throw waste in the dustbin. Now, all those जिनके घर के आसपास colored dustbins रखे हुए हैं, please raise your hand. घर से थोड़ी दूर पे, घर के आसपास. Have you seen those dustbins, children? Yes, you have. Good. सबके घर के आसपास थोड़ी थोड़ी दूर पे है. गवर्नमेंट ने बहुत सारे डस्टबिन्स लगाए हैं. Yes, you can put your hand down. So make sure कि तुम्हारे घर का कूड़ा भी उसी डस्टबिन में जाता है. Now there are two pictures given over here. See the clean neighborhood and see the dirty neighborhood. कुछ लोगों ने, कुछ एरियाज लोगों ने बहुत क्लीन कर रखे हैं, एंड जो डर्टी नेबरहुड है, वहाँ जो भी निकला उसने घर से थोड़ी दूर पे कूड़ा फेंक दिया, फिर वहाँ कूड़े का ढेर जमा होता रहा, तो इट बिकम्स वेरी डर्टी. We should keep our neighborhood green by growing plants and trees. हमें अपना नेबरहुड जो है वो ग्रीन, यानी अगर हरियाली आपको आसपास अपने देखनी है, तो आपको भी अपने जहाँ पे आपको नेबरहुड में कच्ची ज़मीन दिखाई दे, यू कैन प्लांट ट्रीज, यू कैन yes, trees, so that they give shade on the road. Trees keep the air fresh and clean. Trees जो हैं वो घर को they keep the air fresh and clean. The trees around a house. Now those of you who live in a neighborhood where there are many trees, उनको समझ में आएगा कि trees से कितना अच्छा लगता है when you see greenery around you. Let us plant more and more trees. अपने घर के आसपास को हरियाली बनाने के लिए, हरा भरा बनाने के लिए, let us plant more and more trees around our house. Tasmia, switch on your camera, please. Let us make our neighborhood green. We should make our neighborhood green. हमारा neighborhood जो है वो साफ सुथरा, हरा भरा होना चाहिए. Let us revise. Now the green box, put your finger on the line that I am reading. Izan, are you sleeping, child? Because you're not looking in the book, Izan. The area around our home is called our neighborhood. We should keep our neighborhood clean. We should throw waste in dustbins. We should grow plants and trees in our neighborhood. A clean neighborhood helps us to stay healthy. Now these key terms जो इधर दिए हुए हैं, neighborhood, healthy, school, market, hospital, please write learn over here. In 5 words के आगे write learn You have to learn the spelling of these words by heart. Okay? You have to learn the spellings of these words.
Ma'am, car है.
Over here. Okay, Shayan? Could you see it? Okay. Now, let us go back to page 17. I will read the lesson for you. Nishkat, switch off your mic, beta. Okay, page 17. I'm reading the lesson. You'll follow me. Our neighborhood. Turn the page. Our neighborhood. We see, please put your finger where I'm reading. Please, we see people, cars, buses, animals, plants, and shops around our house. The area around our house is called our neighborhood. Naima, look into the book. You are not looking into the book, child. Put your finger on the line that I am reading. जो लाइन में रीड कर रही हूँ उस पर अपनी फिंगर रखो, नाइमा. We see many things in our neighborhood. Then this work I've given you for homework, you have to do it just now. A clean neighborhood looks beautiful. Let's move on to the next page. Places around us. We find many useful places in our neighborhood. School. We go to a school to study. Park. We go to a park to play. Hospital. We go to a hospital when we are not well. Market. We go to a market to buy things. Turn the page. We have done this in class just now, this exercise. Clean neighborhood. We should keep our neighborhood clean. We should not throw waste around us. Throwing waste in the open makes our neighborhood dirty. It also makes us ill. We must throw waste in the dustbin. Next page. We should keep our neighborhood green by growing plants and trees. Trees keep the air fresh and clean. Let us plant more and more trees. Let us make our neighborhood green. Now, children, जो वर्ड्स हैं डिफ़िकल्ट, इसमें काफ़ी डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स हैं. स्पेशली द वर्ड नेबरहुड इन इट सेल्फ इज़ क्वाइट डिफ़िकल्ट. नेबरहुड जो तुम्हारे घर के आसपास का एरिया है, और नेबर्स वो हैं जो तुम्हारे घर के आसपास रहते हैं, उनको हम पड़ोसी कहते हैं. नेबर्स इन हिंदी इज़ पड़ोसी एंड नेबरहुड इन हिंदी इज़ पड़ोस. आपके नेबरहुड में, आपके पड़ोस में कौन रहता है, ठीक है. तो नेबर्स एंड नेबरहुड में कंफ्यूज मत होना. नेबर्स की स्पेलिंग भी फ़र्क है, विच आई विल टेल यू later on. Now, you have all joined the art class. I had sent you a link yesterday. आर्ट क्लास के लिंक मैंने भेजी थी, सबने ज्वाइन कर लिया था? Yes, no. If you
Yes, no, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
don't switch on your mics. Please, you just have to raise your hand.
Ma'am.
Please switch off your mics and raise your hand.
Yes, ma'am. Bye.
I have.
Bye.
Who's saying bye? Did I say bye to anyone? I did not say bye to anyone at all. Please don't say bye at all. Switch off your mics. Those who have joined the art group, please raise your hand. Those who have joined the art group, please raise your hand. Okay, you have art in the third period. Those who have not joined it as yet, I had sent a link yesterday. Put your hand down, children. I had sent a link yesterday. ठीक है, उस लिंक से आज ही ज्वाइन कर लो. मैम विल टेक योर क्लास in the third period. So be ready with your drawing copy, your color pencils, your pencil box, and enjoy your art class. For now, and children, I will be taking attendance. I will be taking attendance in the last period. So please be there. Please make sure that you join the last class. I am not taking attendance just now. व्हाट्सएप की अटेंडेंस को मैं अटेंडेंस काउंट नहीं करती हूँ. दैट जस्ट टेल्स मी दैट यू आर रेडी टू जॉइन द क्लास. अटेंडेंस वो होती है दैट आई टेक इन क्लास. ओके, सो हैव योर ब्रेकफास्ट क्विकली. यू हैव द नेक्स्ट half an hour, 45 minutes. So quickly have your breakfast and then enjoy your art class, children. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.